Do you always struggle to draw hairs and whiskers with pastel pencils? If so, this is definitely the video for you. I'm going to show you exactly how I do it. And with the pastel pencil, I can do white ones because pastel is so much more opaque, as you can see. So twist it as you go in. If you want it to be brighter, whiter, wipe the pencil every stroke or two. Perhaps put a little highlight for a water droplet. Now when you want fine whiskers, we need to be able to sharpen the pencil, the pastel pencil, quite sharp, quite well. So I would use a pit pastel pencil. It's the hardest nib, makes it the easiest to sharpen to a fine point. Now don't forget, there's literally hundreds and hundreds of lessons over on my Patreon art channel, lots and lots of subjects. I've been teaching for 25 years. I've got over 1,500 members every month on there, from as little as $7 a month. I hope to see you there too.